Ang linuto ko ngayon, beef with vegetables. Yan. Sarap yan. It's yummy, yummy. Sarap. Yan. Ang sarap-sarap ng luto ko. May karni, may gulay. Kain na tayo. Ang sarap-sarap ng aking luto. May karni, may gulay. Kain tayo. Yan. May karni na, may gulay pa. Karning baka ito. Yan. Ang sarap-sarap. Kain na tayo. Nakakagutom ang luto ko. Maraming salamat sa mga panonood nyo at sa pag-subscribe sa aking channel. God bless everyone. Maraming salamat. Ang sarap-sarap ng aking luto. May karni, may gulay. Kain tayo. Yan. May karni na, may gulay pa. Karning baka ito. Yan. Ang sarap-sarap. Kain na tayo. Nakakagutom ang luto ko. Maraming salamat sa mga panonood nyo at sa pag-subscribe sa aking channel. God bless everyone. Maraming salamat. I'm cooking my sweet potato. This is my breakfast. Yan. My son is sitting up Alexa. So I have company in the kitchen. I can talk to her. And can play music. And they can tell me the weather. They can tell me everything. Right, Dookie?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my son. He's
Oh. Good. It's connected now.
oh, it's connected now.
It's connected now.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:20 p.m. Happy Tuesday.
Oh, thank you. Alexa, when is going to snow?
No snow is expected for the next 10 days.
Oh, it's going to rain today?
I'll say Alexa. Alexa, is it going to rain
Oh.
today?
Alexa, is going to rain today?
Currently, in Abbotsford it's 43 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 48 degrees and a low of 37 degrees. Would you also like to know the weather for the next 7 days?
Yeah.
Here's the weather in Abbotsford for the next 7 days. Wednesday, 44 degrees Fahrenheit and showers. Thursday, 47 degrees and showers. Friday, 47 degrees and cloudy skies. Saturday, 49 degrees and showers. Sunday, 51 degrees and showers. Monday, 57 degrees and showers. Tuesday, 53 degrees and rainy weather.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Alexa. This is steak. This is for dinner. Yummy steak. Yeah. It's cooked now. Soft and tender. Yeah. You wanna eat now, sweetie?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You eat now.